back to my channel. My name is Arjan. This is day 7 of my tour through the Netherlands already. I've just had a great breakfast made by my hosts from Vrienden op de Fiets, and I'm going to go south today. Yeah, I can't wait. Should be fun. Not sure if I like those clouds. Luckily, the rain went away after 30 minutes. I am now entering Thorn, a little village in Limburg. It's known because many of the houses are painted in white, as you can see. Unfortunately, I have very little footage as my GoPro didn't work. I didn't notice that at the time. But if ever you're around, I would recommend you visiting it. Now, this looked very promising. A very nice overlook on the River Maas. Little did I know that for 9 kilometers long I would be plagued with probably the worst cycle path that you can find in the Netherlands. Every few meters there was a sort of ditch in the path, and it was absolutely horrible. My whole bike rattled. Yeah, it was very unpleasant. I'm going to try and figure out if I can add this route to Canute as a no-go area. Now I'm very close to yet another little national climb. This one is called the Maasberg, but as you can see it was very slippery and I was supposed to go back the same way, which I did not fancy at all, and therefore I decided to just go on and take an alternative route. That meant that I would only do the one climb today, but I'm sure I'll get back to Limburg at some point to do all the others. Now, for those of you who are familiar with parts of the Amstel Gold Route, this is the descent into ice over the IJzer Bosweg, and yeah, it's a very nasty climb if you were, certainly if you're a beginner. But I had to go downhill on the day, which was tricky as well. And for tonight, I've secured myself another stay at a Vrienden op de Fiets address, and actually I will be staying 2 nights there, which allows me for tomorrow to go ahead and cycle in Limburg without luggage. So I'm really looking forward to that for a change.